What's that sound? It's the sound of energy being saved. What's that sound? It's the sound of clean air and less fuel being used. This vehicle is a different kind of hybrid from Lightning hybrids. It doesn't use batteries. Instead, energy is saved using hydraulics every time the driver uses the brakes. It's like compressing a spring, but hydraulics work better for buses and trucks. Hydraulic braking saves the brakes. That saved energy is now used to propel the vehicle forward. This saves fuel and cuts the harmful emissions that get into the air. That's what clean air sounds like.